What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. Alright, so today I'm doing another ant rack video. The last one I made, I didn't expect it to go that crazy. But this one right here, I'm gonna have the fuses on this one. The last one, I just had the fuse, you know, it's at the front, but not in the back. But this one, I got all 4 amps, fuse block, distribution block, and that's pretty much what we got going on so far. We got two 1200s, so 300 by 4. And then I think this amp right here is about 300 RMS. So 300 divided by 4. I think it might be 400, so probably like 400 watts per channel. I mean 100 watts per channel. I'm tripping. And then I got a 1500 watt mono block for the bass. I'm on around a single 12, so I think that'll be enough power. That'll be enough power to handle that job. And alright, so with the fuse blocks, these 2 amps, since they're 1200 watts, they're gonna need a 120 amp A&L fuse. This one right here is I say about 400, so it'll need like a 40 amp fuse. I think like we just divide by 10, you know what I'm saying, to get, well, amps to watts. So if you got a 150 amp fuse, it'll go to the 1500 watt amp. And that's how they go, you know what I'm saying, like 1000 watt. 1000 watt amp, you're gonna need a 100 amp fuse. So we got the 4-channel DSP right there. I got my my spade terminals already in there, so I can go ahead and clamp the wires down. Big old distribution block, and of course I got like the spacers up underneath the amps, so I can get some good airflow. And I'm planning on running 2 fans as well, so I'm gonna see how to I'm gonna do those. And then I was thinking about running a relay, but anyway, man, might do a time lapse or whatever, but I'll cut the camera back on, you know what I'm saying, once I get everything taken care of. Alright, so y'all, this how I got it so far. Got the screws on the bottom coming through. Yeah, I'm gonna have all of them aligned like this right here, cause I already did my layout, so you know what I'm saying, pretty much got the general idea. But I think I'm gonna like this concept right here a little better, you know what I'm saying, than how I had before on the last video. But yeah, cause I got my fuses and everything like laid out a little bit. It'll be dressed up a little neater this time. So yeah, y'all got the concept, but I'll just go on and get to work. How about it? Nah, man, I got all the amps screwed down. The 1500, the 400, and the 2 1200s. You gotta go back in, like I said, wrap the board, but that look a little bit cleaner than them screws going through the bottom. mounted down pretty good. I was thinking about getting some table leg to go up on the bottom, but I'll see how it's sitting in the truck. If it sit like kind of weird, I'll go bottom table legs. Excuse me. Before I mean, it don't matter when I put them on there. It just, I think there'd be a nice little touch to what you call it. So, damn, I gotta clean them up. But yeah, that get taken care of later. But I'll mount that down after I wrap it, because I don't want like all them holes in that board to, you know what I'm saying, mess up the integrity of it. So the distribution block and the fuse block, I'm gonna be screwing those down last. But yeah, with these out, I'm gonna go down and get the wire measurements and where I'm gonna put the distribution block, so I can cut the wire and stuff and just go from there. But yeah, that's what I got so far. Making some progress, man. Making some progress. All right, that's how we looking. I didn't screw these down yet, so yeah, but zip tied the wires already, well, down already, so I can see how much wire I needed to get to the distribution block. Then my RCAs, they'll be here Tuesday, and I pick up my box I think Saturday. So yeah, I was trying to go down, knock this amp rack out for then. So yeah, and I had to run the 0 gauge up under the board to keep it out of the way of the DSP and the other ground wires. But I'm gonna take these back up, glue down the carpet, and after the carpet, RCAs, remote, and the DSP wires. So, and then the truck down in the country. So I'm taking this board down there to do like a fit, see how it look on the inside of the truck, and determine if I need to do like the legs for the board to have it, you know what I'm saying, sitting up under it, well, sitting up off the floor a little bit. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got. I'm gonna take this down to the country, go down, do my adhesive and carpet. Of course, I got my scissors and my utility knife. So yeah, cut the camera back on when I get to lining up this box, well, putting the carpet on this box. Alright y'all, yesterday I didn't show y'all the process of me doing the carpet, but because when I got to the country yesterday, it started raining. But as y'all can see, we got the carpet laid down. It ain't perfect because I was trying to rush, like I said, to beat that rain. And I think it's good enough. So I'm about to put the spacers back on and mount the amps again. So yeah, what we doing now is we working towards the final product as far as how it's gonna look, how everything's gonna look, you know what I'm saying, when I'm finished. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera back on, walk y'all through what I did, and yeah, see how it turned out. Alright y'all, so I'm finally finished with the amp rack, and this is the final product. I got two DS18 G3600s, the DS18 S1200, the DS18 ZR1500, the 2.4 X PRV DSP, the SMD distribution block, and the SMD A&L fuse holder. And why I have both of these is because I'm running rock lights, wheel lights, a light bar, and whatever else I might, you know what I'm saying, think of. But you can't only run this right here, you know what I'm saying, with the power wire coming from the front, because this bus bar has everything connected. So yeah, this one we can do it too. You can do it without this block, or you can run the power wire straight to this if you just running like straight music, like without anything else. But yeah, I have my zip tie holders for my wire, all of them. Remote wires ran up underneath the board. I still have to do another hole, or do more holes for the speaker wire. Yeah, I'm linking everything on this board. I'm gonna try to link it down in the description. So if you wanna build something like this right here, or if you want to do like a tar amp setup, PRV setup, who else got some pretty decent amps? Like March Digital, ones I got over there. Sundown, yeah, whatever setup you want. Like if you want to do it similar to this, by all means. But this like what I brainstormed up right here. And yeah man, I think she came out pretty good. Yeah, I got the spacers up underneath the amps, so it won't so I can get like good airflow. I have two marine fans that I might end up building like a bracket or something for, but they're outside in the car. But yeah, I'll grab those fans, you know what I'm saying, if we getting too much heat over here. And I'll just throw the fans, just like place them somewhere to try to keep them cool. And since these got the dual outputs, I went and got the splitters. So one set of RCAs to run the two different to run the 4 inputs. And these RCAs will be running all the way to right here, the DSP. I really like these zip tie tied out right here, man. I'm for sure gonna leave these in the description. I forgot what these joints called, but they protect the wire from rubbing against the cutout of the board. So they're real good to have. And I took I got the 0 gauge to 4 gauge reducers. So I'm trying to shoot as much juice to this amp as I can. Yeah man, the next video probably be me hooking it up in the truck when I go pick up my sub box next week. Y'all got any questions about the board, man, just let me know. Excuse this mess too, man, cause this, man, I got a lot going on in here. But yeah, this man wreck, the second version, cause the first one I made, it didn't have fuses, so new and improved, everything screwed down, wires pretty clean, separated, power in the front, RCA's in the back, go straight to the back. These coming off, I was thinking about drilling the hole through here, but I'll just run them out the back. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all boy in the next video, man. Hope y'all like the video. Subscribe to the channel. I already hit 500 subs, and we're gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, hit that 1K. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all take it easy. Peace.